What up mga solid subscribers na? Okay guys, panoorin po natin itong upload po ito na Horizon, no? Ang nag-upload pa, nag-upload to no? Siyempre, Horizon, no? Upload po ito ng MLD Entertainment, guys. Na, okay guys, panoorin natin to. So, kahapon pinanood natin yung teaser po, no? So, nagkamali daw po pala sila, no? Kasi sinabi ko doon, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman guys, doon, di ba sa ending yata, no? Na sa 25 pa. Akala ko talaga sa 25 pa, no? Yung pala hindi. Ito pala, ngayong araw din po pala, no? So, okay guys. Okay, panoorin na to. Naputol ako, napindot ko yung intro eh. Very sorry. Let's go! Hey! Boa, Pasay, let's go!
How did our feelings turn to stone? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb.
Hey! Ang mature na natingnan.
As we speak, hands are freezing and I see those eyes were warm like the sun before.
Anong araw kaya nila sinuto? Walang tao. Matao lagi dyan eh.
Didn't want it to end, let's go back. Let's blue, no matter what I say. We can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Without you, life's rough, but of us don't know how. Two hearts into one, body DNA. Try to run, but my heart's telling me oh no. But okay, maybe I'll forget about our days, but even then you're endlessly stuck in my veins. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold.
Let's go.
You're so cold. Those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold.
Guys, ako lang ba? Pero ang matured nila tingnan dito guys as in. So, hindi na sila yung mga for me hindi na sila yung mga baby face na nakikita natin noon guys. So, sobrang matured. Especially si Marcos, no? Si Marcos, pansin ko sa kanya ang matured na niya tingnan as in.
08, got this visual all day. Turn the heater up here, yeah, yeah. Can you please look at me? All my knees
Siya ang pinakabata, di ba si Marcos? Tapos siya pa yung mukhang matured talaga, no?
Days I remember. Was it meaningless? I do wonder. Tell me before I stone head off. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold.
Waiting ako sa dance practice nito. Mukhang malupit tong dance practice nito. Kasi yung details sa steps eh. Ay no? Kaya kita nyo yung dynamics. Biglang slow.
Those eyes were warm like the sun before. How did my feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Things are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before.
Nice. Ang ganda guys, ang fresh lang ng vibe, no? At saka yung ang chill lang ng music nila guys. As in yung dating nila guys, hindi yung atake ng kanta nila is may mga birit, hindi yung may ganun silang boses na no? Talagang ang chill lang ng kanta nila. May mapansin niyo sa boses nila talagang kung bibirit man sila, yun lang. Pero most of the time puro chill lang po siya. So ang ganda, no? So yung steps nila makikita niyo medyo chill lang din siya, pero makikita niyo mga dynamics po talaga is andun po talaga, like babagal, bibilis, no? Makikita mo talaga doon, no? Pero for me napakaganda ng steps. Waiting ako sa dance practice. So ulitin ko guys, ang matured po talaga nila tingnan dito guys as in. Napaka-matured nila tingnan guys as in. Hindi sila yung mga baby face na nakikita natin before. So I think baka in character lang sila rito, no? Pero yan na lang. Pero kasi sa title pa ng itself, You're So Cold, no? Kaya medyo chill sila. Ayun. Kaya nga chill yung kanta. Chill. Kasi cold, no? Let's go. So yan lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panood na video. So this is Boy na Peace. Let's see.